The gold yesterday created a bullish candle, a pretty strong one, where the price has gone all the way to 3 of these resistance level. The price started the day from here 290 to 1.69 from the support level, and the price formed a bullish breakout yesterday on the smaller time frame above 3001.81. We can see that here, and especially on the 4-hour time frame when this breakout has been formed. We can see that yesterday also the price has formed several breakouts to the downside. This one was here also, we can see that, where the price has gone down and it has reached a support level. From here the price bounced back up, we can see that the price formed again bullish breakout above 301.81, and the price continued to rise in value. We can see for the whole day the price has risen in value. We can see the price has reached very close here confluence of resistance around 3084.36, and then drop it down to the 3054.37, and from here the price continued to rise in value. We can see that, and it is continuing to rise in value right now. What we can expect today from this one, especially the yesterday bullish candle that has been formed, this strong bullish momentum, we can see it's continuing to rise in value. The target for today is 3135.61. This is something that I am expecting that the price will reach during the day, and we will see what happens around this area of resistance. Usually when the price reaches resistance, we can expect that the price will drop down slightly, and how long and how far down, we'll see that now. For now, for the daily time frame, the drop could be to here around 3122 and also 3113, which is the small support level for the price if it makes to this area of resistance, to the daily resistance. Now 4-hour time frame shows us that we are 3125.55, one step closer to this daily resistance level. So if the price reaches this area of resistance, the drop could be all the way to here 3125.55, and the next one will be 3113.18. We can see those levels right here pretty clearly. Now the price is currently on the 4-hour time frame is coming back inside this in this uptrend channel, which is a great information for the bulls, which means allowing the price to continue to rise in value. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see that 3125.55 is also the next resistance level in order to reach the next target, which will be 3135.61. So if you would like to receive these updates when the price makes a bullish breakout and also bearish breakout, feel free to check the premium analysis, where I share the details with the traders about the next movement on the market when the breakout happens. This is for the daily time frame. We can see it is the next target, and especially the resistance level, which is always strong one. We can see that in the past when the price has reached it, the price retraces back down slightly and then try to move again to the upside. So this is something, the similar scenario I'm expecting that the price will do around this area of resistance, and we can see that it is a strong bullish momentum where the traders could get out from their trades, locking their profits, which will also trigger that the price could return back down slightly because of this selling of the pair. Now for any kind of a bearish momentum, there is no signs. We will see that what happens during the day, and especially when the price reaches this area of resistance. For now, 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, a resistance level is 3125.55 that needs to be broken in order to allow the price to reach again higher price levels, which is 3135.61. For now, that's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.